Welcome to Ideal Kin. Grow your knowledge for your daily progressive life. Success. Everyone wants to succeed, but is it easily available? Is there any easy way to success? Today, we will tell you a very beautiful motivational story that will take you to the peak of success, that will help you move forward. So keep watching to the end with the mind and let's go. Today we focus on temper control. There once was a little boy who had a bad temper. His father gave him a bag of nails and told him that every time he lost his temper, he must hammer a nail into the fence. What happened? So watching. Next. The first day, the boy had driven 37 nails into the fence. Over the next few weeks, as he learned to control his anger, the number of nails hammered daily gradually dwindled down. He discovered it was easier to hold his temper than to drive those nails into the fence. Finally, the day came when the boy did not lose his temper at all. What happened? So watching. He told his father about it, and the father suggested that the boy now pull out one nail for each day that he was able to hold his temper. The days passed, and the young boy was finally able to tell his father that all the nails were gone. The father took his son by the hand and led him to the fence. He said, "You have done well, my son, but look at the holes in the fence. The fence will never be the same. When you say things in the angry, they leave a scar just like this one. You can put a knife in a man and draw it out. It would not matter how many times you say, 'I am sorry.' The wood is still there." Make sure you control your temper the next time you are tempted to say something you will regret later. A request to us at the end of it all: if you like the video so much, share it with your loved ones. Who can say that one of your share can change their lives and encourage us with a like? Then let us know in the comments which topic you want to the video, because our only purpose is to help you. And to be the first to get our video, subscribe the channel and stay connected with us by turning on the bell icon. Subscribe one time but benefits lifetime. Next video next day 7:40 p.m. Thank you for watching.